Hi, this is Silva Prasad. I would like to explain my project demo on Intelligent Customer Help Desk with Smart Document Understanding. There are a lot of chatbots which can answer simple questions. Our project is to make a chatbot which is capable of answering a question that is not available in the predefined set. We use artificial intelligence to achieve this. The list of services used are Watson Discovery Service, Watson Assistant, and the Cloud Function and Node-RED for integrating all these services. Looking onto the Watson Discovery Service, I have uploaded my OnePlus 7 Pro manual. A single document is split into 250 documents. We can configure this data so that Watson get trained on what are the necessary fields and what are all the not necessary fields. When a question is asked, it can get the most desired result here. Looking on to the cloud function, there are these many number of parameters. These parameters are given here. We can see that environment ID, collection ID, configuration ID, and API key and the URL. So we can get this ID, collection ID, configuration ID, and the environment ID from here, and API key and URL from the Watson Discovery Service. Looking on to the cloud function, we have seen that return new promise function. This promise function either resolves or rejects, which means if a valid output is obtained, it resolves it. If it gets some error, then it rejects it. We are initializing the discovery service. If there is an API key, we are creating an instance for discovery service with respect to the API key. If there is no API key, then we are creating the discovery service with respect to the username and password. Then the query is passed on to the Watson Discovery Service. Environment ID is same as that, collection ID, and the natural language is params.input, which is the input given by the user, and the passages is true, and the count as one, passage count as one. Since I don't want to get into 3 or more counts, I'm giving it as one. After the end of this function, if there is an error, then the reject function will be triggered. If there is no error, then the data will be sent back. So moving on to the IBM Watson Assistant, there are two intents called greeting and thanks. So whenever user greets something, it comes under greeting. Whenever user says thank, it comes under thanks. On the entity, there is a single entity called greeting. So when user types noon GA, it understands it as good afternoon. So similar to that, the rest is. On the dialog, there are 4 nodes called welcome, greeting, thanks, and all other informations node. Welcome node just displays the welcome message. Greeting nodes, when user says a greet, it returns the respective greeting message to the user. So when a thanks node is given, it's replace it's pleasure to me and similar to that. All other informations node. So anything other than these nodes is passed on to the all other informations node. So what we are doing is we are getting the input and passing it to the Watson Discovery Service. The return variable is the hook result _3, which is the result obtained from the Watson Discovery Service. If assistant recognizes no matching results, then what you have searched does not exist in the document is responded. Where there is a result, it is responded with the respective result. Yeah. Moving on to the Node-RED function, I have just created a simple Node-RED flow. The input is obtained in the form and it is given to the input passing and it is passed on to the customer bot, and the customer bot in turn get the response from the Watson Discovery Service and it is passed through the function and the output is displayed onto the user. Let's see the demo. I'm giving it as hi. Watson responds with hi, how can I help you? So let me ask how to connect to Wi-Fi. When a question is asked, it says that enter settings, Wi-Fi and internet, tap Wi-Fi, select a Wi-Fi network from the list, and so on. So what is actually happening when I give the input? For example, let's say alert slider. When I say alert slider, on this node, you can see that it's getting the input from the form and it is sent to the customer bot and it is passed and the result is passed on to the text. So in a similar way, we can give basic gestures. It says learn to use the basic gestures. Tap to enter app or select when viewing a web page and all those things. Let's ask how to create Bluetooth tethering. And the response is to share your device mobile data or Wi-Fi network with other devices by Bluetooth tethering. Follow the below steps. Go to mobile hotspot and tethering and enable Bluetooth tethering and pair and connect your mobile phone in the Bluetooth settings. So whenever I say thanks, Watson replies with that's my pleasure to help you. And now I have completed explaining my project. Thanks for watching.